Okay, today we have got quite a long session. We've got quite a bit to cover. Although it looks like there's only 20 MCQs, but there's a lot of slides to discuss certain issues. Okay, so let us start quickly. The first session is on grammar, as how we normally do it. Let us hold on. I don't know why this always has a... Okay. Okay, let's look at the first question. Can you help me read the sentence?
What did the teacher learn before he left the classroom? Asked Jennifer.
What would your answer be, your action?
A.
A?
Yes.
Why is it A?
No. I mean B.
Okay, why is it B?
B because it's just now. It's not now. So it's B as it's past tense. As it's
Okay.
past.
You know it's past tense because it's before he left the classroom. But more importantly, but you look at this word here.
Did also mean that it's
You already have the past tense in the question did. So you cannot say what did the teacher said. What did the teacher say? Because this is already past. The past is already here.
Oh.
Okay. So it is say. I'll give you another example. What does he every morning for breakfast? Is it
say?
eat? It eats?
No.
Is it ate? Or is it eating?
Eat. Eat.
Eat, right? Why? Because you already have the does here. You cannot say present tense, I must put the eats, he eats. No. Does already takes the present tense form. So the answer is, what does he eat? You must use the infinitive. What did the teacher say? What did the teacher do? What did the teacher write? What did the teacher give? Or what did the teachers give? Same thing, doesn't matter. Whatever it is here, it will still be say. What did I say? What did the boy say? What did the girl say? What did my mother say? Because this is already the past tense. You understand?
Okay.
Okay. So the answer is A. What did the teacher say? Second one, can you read?
Mother was so busy with her work that she had blank time to read the newspaper.
So she was so busy. Did she have time or no time?
She had them.
She had?
Must be no time, but there's no time, so I think it's B.
Okay, let's see. So cannot be many time. Why cannot be many time?
Many time means the time is countable.
Yeah, but time
But
is not
time is
countable,
not
right?
countable.
Uncountable, right?
Yes. It's
So
uncountable.
much time?
Much
You can
time
say,
means the mother was not busy.
okay. Sometime?
Sometimes is only sometimes. Like
Little time?
only like 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Okay, so which is more? Little or some? Which is more?
Some has more.
Okay, so here the answer should be he had
Oh,
little time. Okay, you have some time means you have a bit of time, but little time means not much, very small quantity, you can say. Okay, so the answer is she had little time to read the newspaper. I have little time to do any work.
okay.
It's uncountable. If she had a lot of time, then you say she had a lot of time or plenty.
Of them.
You say plenty of time. Can you say plenty of time? It's plenty of time. Yeah, plenty of time. Okay, but normally it's a lot of time. That's what you use for when you're free. Then you say I have a lot of time, or I have plenty of time. Are you with me?
Yes.
So here the choice is between little and some. Little is less, so you take the lesser one because she was so busy.
Okay.
If she was not so busy with the work, then you can say she had some time. Okay?
Okay.
Now, last week,
Last week, Julian dashed an iguana from the pet shop.
yes.
Bought B.
Why is it bought? Why not buy?
Because it says last week. Last week is past tense.
Yes, last week is past tense. So buy is definitely not, right? It's a habit or it's something which happens all the time.
Okay.
Then, why not has bought?
Has bought. Has bought is past perfect tense.
No, it's present perfect. See, has is present. Present perfect.
Oh. Then why is it bought?
Okay, because has bought is when you expected from before to now to do it. Like, for example, I say, Rakshan, have you done your homework? They say, yes, I have done my homework, right? I have done. You normally use the present perfect when you are speaking now, but saying something that is expected to have been done. I've done my homework.
Okay.
That means it's your homework is expected to be done by now, and you say, yes, I've done it. You're just making a statement saying that, yes, you've done it. But if you're making a report, then you say, I did my homework last night.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Okay.
Because you're telling what happened. I did my homework last night. But when someone asks you now, you can answer two ways. You can say, I've done my homework. Then you say, I did it last night.
Okay.
So if you're speaking now to make a declaration to say, I've done it, I've eaten it, I've lost it, that means you're just making a statement, a declaration, like a expression. Okay?
Okay.
In direct speech. Okay. Now,
Okay.
why not was buying?
Was buying because it is like it will come when or while was there.
When something else happened. Like last week, Julian was buying an iguana from the pet shop when a fire broke out. Can you see?
Okay.
That means he was in the process of buying and suddenly fire broke out. Can you see that?
Okay.
That means something is going on and then something happened. But here is just one thing only. It doesn't have when the fire broke out, right? So it is last week, Julian bought. Just making a reported, like a reported speech. You're just telling what happened, reporting what happened. Oh, last week he bought this, last week she did this, last week I did this, last week we went here. There's no other activity in the context, in the background. Okay? Action, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So last week, Julian bought an iguana. And not has bought, because has bought is a present perfect. Yeah. So Julian, when he comes to school, he say, hey, I bought an iguana. I've already bought the iguana that we wanted. He's making a statement. I bought it. That means he's trying to share his experience. I've done it. Okay. So the answer is B. Now how about
This one, the crowd stood in line, lined
number
the
4?
pavement and they waited to enter the stadium.
Okay.
So,
The state at the pavement, in the pavement,
it's
along
A,
the pavement, or against the pavement.
A. It's A. Because
Remember what I told at? At is done.
Ed is Mr. Arif, I cannot hear you please.
You cannot hear me now? Can you hear me now? First time got
I
internet
cannot
problem.
hear.
Now can you hear?
Yeah. Just now a message came inside my Zoom saying my internet connection is unstable.
Oh, okay, no wonder. Okay, the crowd stood in line. If you say at means it's like a place, but you're not sure which part of the place. Like you can say at the zoo, at McDonald's, or at the restaurant. That means it could be the front of the restaurant, it could be the back of the restaurant, it could be inside the restaurant. It's not specified. A pavement is not a place. Pavement is just a general thing. You cannot say at the pavement.
Now I have the
Okay, so you cannot say pavement is not a specific place. Okay, so it's not a specific location. It's just like a path along the road, like the road is endless, right? So you cannot say at the road. Okay, so it
is
is
in
can't be in the pavement, because inside the pavement means you are inside the stone.
yeah.
Okay, this is a pavement, right? So look at the pavement. The pavement is always like this, right? So imagine this
Yes.
is this buildings, right? So the pavement is here. This is the pavement. So you are along the pavement because it is a line. One person here, another person here. You're queuing. Whenever there's a line, you can use the word along. Along the corridor, along the road, along the pavement, along the river. Yeah, because it's a line, right? It's a line, river. So he went for a boat ride along the river. That means it's going from here to there. It's like a movement. Are you with me?
Yes.
So whenever there's a line, you use the word along. See, long.